The battery in my camera died and I didn't realize it while I was working. So I've just about got it finished, not quite finished, the Snowman, as far as without painting. Just to recap, just what I missed. I used an angle grinder with a flap disc on it, 40 grit, to take all the chainsaw marks off, and just a sander to do the same for the smaller, for the hat. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take some 2-inch finish nails. I'll cut the head off them, drill them down. cut out these snowmen only about 2 weeks ago, ready for Christmas, and then other things got in the way, and I had to put snow tires on the car. Snow came early this year, and a few things, and I didn't get to seal them with Varathane or varnish or anything like that, or urethane, and as a result, they dried, and I got cracks in them. Now these cracks down here, I could probably leave them because they kind of look a little bit like legs, I guess. You divided them up, fortunately. These ones, I was kind of really disappointed. I didn't know what to do. I was actually going to just throw them out and start over again. It's not a big deal. But then I said, well, it's kind of in the place for a mouth, but still looks a little bit like a evil kind of snowman if I did that. Mouth's not that. I thought, what about maybe I could put a pipe in there and it would be a mouth. So I just made up a little piece of tinfoil to see what it looked like, to rolled it up. It'd be a quick and simple little model. And, you know, I think I could live with that. If I make something on the lathe or even with some dowel, I can make some pipe, a couple of pipes, fit them right size, eyes and that, and I think it will work. Let's see how it works. I'll find out soon. Camera, I just drilled a 3/4 inch hole with a Forstner bit on the toe press, which is a nice tight fit, a little bit of glue, and for a pipe, I probably don't need very much more than this. I'll just cut this off with the bandsaw or the handsaw, and using just a very piece of thin stock, probably a little less than 1/4 inch. I'm using an interior-exterior varnish spray to cover the snowmen. It's easier than trying to use a paintbrush to get in all around the bark and all these little crevices. And I'll give it just one coat, just to give it a little bit of protection for both indoors and outdoors.